We are at a very interesting juncture of technology. Everything is revolving around the technology. India is poised to be the fourth largest economy of the world. At this juncture, the democratic dividend that we have in this country, they need a very strategic alignment with their career goals. And BCA stands as a program wherein they are taught from the foundations of programming to the latest application, the cutting edge technology utilization of artificial intelligence. And IT is at a juncture wherein it is not confined to doing something in computers, something in coding. IT is touching healthcare, IT is touching agriculture, IT is touching manufacturing. So everything revolves around the IT, and BCA stands one program wherein the actual applications of IT are being put to use. Students are learning, creating their own ventures, getting jobs in multinational companies, which make this program very, very unique. When I look at the BCA program at Jain deemed to be university at Faculty of Applied Computing, School of Computer Science and IT, I look at the academic environment that collectively the students and faculty members have created. We are not confined to four walls of the classroom. There are night labs wherein the industry experts connect with the students beyond the class hours. We have constituted a concept called 6 AM Club. Early morning, faculty and the industry experts connect with the students to handhold them and to give meaningful inputs to their projects. We conduct workshops like Art of Falling in Love with the Problems. There is a capstone project career track wherein the projects which are the real life projects being curated by the startups, they are assigned to the students. There are industry mentors which connect with the students and we create something beautiful. There are IP Carnival, there are industry co-created hackathons. That is how the life is at Jain deemed to be university for a BCA student. The takeaway from the program are very, very unique. If I focus on some of the success stories, the on-roll students of BCA, they are the entrepreneurs. I have 9 success stories from BCA in last 1 year in the academic year 25-26. I will love to highlight couple of significant achievements. So one of the student founded company created a mobile app with embedded sensor in a mobile device. A girl or a female in problem just shakes this device and the live location of that particular female goes to the emergency context in a real time. There are projects wherein we are creating a smart classroom attendance monitoring system wherein the faculty will not be reading the roll calls for 5 to 10 minutes. Students walk in the classroom, they spend the significant amount of time, their faces act as a data set and the attendance is auto captured. There are real life projects wherein we are building the AI models, the websites, the mobile apps of people in and around Bangalore. So these are some wonderful success stories which give me great satisfaction in the value that we have created at School of CS and IT. So we look at the alumni success stories of Jain. So we run a dedicated program at School of CS and IT. We call it From the Benches of Jain to Leading Multinational Companies. It gives me great happiness when I say that one of these student startup got registered into New York Stock Exchange. The best part is these alumni are connected to their budding classmates, the juniors. Every now and then they come, they share their success stories, they share their struggles, they share what started on the benches of Jain has become a multi-million-dollar organization today, which creates a very unique value at the complete Jain ecosystem.